my student, myself is Anjana Pawar from HM College Karak. Now last lecture we see binomial distribution formula and some example. Today we start again, we solve some example is based on the formula of binomial distribution. So what is the binomial distribution formula? We know that n tiles, when a binomial distribution is n binomial tiles, we take some success. Suppose we take a success is x. So probability of success is equal to small x. Out of n tiles, we get the x success. P is the probability of getting a success, p raised to x. Q is the probability of getting a failure, which is xn raised minus x, where x goes to the 0, 1 up to n, and q is equal to 1 minus p. This is my formula for binomial distribution. So now we start the first problem by using this formula, solve this example. So write down my first problem. A pair of dice is thrown 4 times. Is thrown 4 times. If getting a doublet is considered a success. Find the probability of 2 success. This is my problems. What is my problems? A pair of dice is thrown 4 times. If getting a doublet is considered a success. Okay. Now 2 dice है, उसको हमने थ्रो किया. So हमें some possibilities given. So sample space में how many number is present? एक डाई को थ्रो करने के बाद पॉसिबिलिटी है 6, मीन्स सैंपल स्पेस में आउटकम्स कितने आएंगे 6. 2 डाई को सो 6 मल्टीप्लाई 6 विच इज 36. एक बार थ्रो करने पेयर ऑफ डाइस थ्रो वी गेट अ सैंपल स्पेस इज 36. बट हमें कितनी बार थ्रो करना है 4 टाइम्स. दैट मीन्स सैंपल स्पेस में 36 मल्टीप्लाई 36 मल्टीप्लाई 36 मल्टीप्लाई 36 इतने नंबर ऑफ सैंपल स्पेस प्रेजेंट होंगे. So it is very difficult to find out. So now what is my probability find out? Find the probability of 2 success. Success क्या है? We getting a doublet. So first we consider here x. x क्या होगी? Success की possibility या success. So क्या है success? Number of times of getting doublet in an experiment. Number of times to getting doublet in an experiment. कौन सा experiment है? A pair of die of 2 die thrown simultaneously times. Okay, so x is the number of times getting doublet. So यहाँ पे हमने जो सक्सेस है या जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है वो x से डिनोट किया है और गेटिंग अ डबलेट की है. So what is the probability of getting doublet in single throw? सिंगल थ्रो की प्रोबेबिलिटी हम किससे डिनोट करेंगे? p. p is a success वो which is a getting a probability of success getting doublet in single trial. Single trial means मैंने 2 डाइस एट ए टाइम थ्रो करने के बाद हमें प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6 doublet ढूंढने की possibility. So here कितने नंबर हुए 6 but total number of outcomes कितने हैं 36. So probability of getting a success in single trial which is 6 divided by 36 which is 1 by 6. So what is a failure? If you not getting a doublet, so that my failure means failure is denoted by Q. Q is the probability of failure which is 1 minus P which is 1 minus 1 by 6 which is 5 by 6. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमें n मिला, n कितना है 4, P मिला probability of success 1 by 6, Q मिला probability of failure which is 5 by 6. So this experiment is a Bernoulli trials. So that's why clearly X has binomial distribution with n is equal to 4, probability of success is 1 by 6 and Q is equal to 5 by 6, the probability of failure. That means X follows the binomial distribution NP, that is X follows the binomial distribution n is equal to 4, P is equal to 1 by 6. So what is the formula here? Again we write down the here formula. The formula is probability of success is equal to small x. Out of n trials we get x success, P of x raised to the power q and multiply q raised to the power n minus x, where n x goes to 0, 1, 2 up to x and q is equal to 1 minus p. So we are substituting p of x is equal to small x, substituting n value, what is the n value is 4cx, substituting p value, what is the p value here? The p value is 1 by 6 raised to the power x, q value 5 by 6 raised to the power 4 minus x. Now I want to find the probability of two success. So probability of getting two success, that means P of x is equal to 2. So whenever it is small x, substituting here 2 and we solve the problem. So now substituting here small x is equal to 2. So P of x is equal to 2. So formula is 4c2 P. P here 1 by 6 raised to the power 2. Next 5 by 6 raised to the power 4 minus 2. Now simplify. We use here combination formula 4 factorial NCR formula. The formula is n factorial upon r factorial multiply n minus r factorial. So 4 factorial multiply 2 factorial multiply 4 minus 2 factorial multiply 1 by 6 raised to the power 2. So 1 by 6 raised to the power 2 multiply 5 raised to the power 2 divided by 6 raised to the power 2. Again simplify. 4 factorial reduce up to 2 factorial. So 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial multiply 2 factorial is equal to 1 multiply 1 by 6 raised to the power 4. Base से addition of power multiply 5 raised to 2. Now again simplify. 2 factorial is cancelled out. So 4 multiply 3 multiply 5 raised to 2 divided by 2 multiply 1 multiply 6 raised to 4. Again simplify, which is 2. So again we get here 6 multiply 5 raised to 2 divided by 6 raised to 4. Again simplify 6 and this here 1 6 is cancelled out. So 5 raised to 2 divided by 6 raised to 3. So we get the final answer is 25 divided by 216. So probability getting a doublet exactly 2. The answer is 25 upon 216. Now write down the next question. The question is, Write down the next question. The question is find. Second question. Find the probability. Find the probability of throwing at most 2 6 in 6th throw of a single die. Single die. Okay. Again, we read the question. The question is find the probability of throwing at most 2 6 in 6th throw of a single die. Means एक डाय है उसको हमने 6 बार थ्रो किया है. एक डाय है हमने उसको 6 बार थ्रो किया है. सो फर्स्ट थ्रो में पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ सैंपल स्पेस कितने होंगे? 6. सेकेंड 6, थर्ड 6. ऐसे हमने कितनी बार इसका ट्रायल लिया है? 6 टाइम्स. तो 6 मल्टीप्लाई 6 मल्टीप्लाई 6 मल्टीप्लाई 6. सो इतने सैंपल स्पेस उस ट्रायल में या आएंगे या उस एक्सपेरिमेंट में आएंगे. सो दिस ट्रायल इज बर्नौलियर ट्रायल बिकॉज एक ट्रायल को हमने 6 बार थ्रो किया है. सो उसमें 6 ट्रायल्स थे. सो ट्रायल्स आर फाइनाइट. सेकेंड, if you getting a 6 is my success. If you getting a 6 is my success. So 6 नहीं मिला तो क्या हुआ? Failure. So only 2 outcomes here present. When we get a 6, we get a success. Otherwise, we get a failure. So this experiment is my Bernoulli trials experiment. Now next, what do you want to find here? The find of probability of throwing at most 2 6. At most 2 6 means मैंने डाई को फर्स्ट टाइम उछाला तो उसमें आउटकम्स आने की पॉसिबिलिटी क्या होती है? 1 आ सकता है, 2 आ सकता है, 3 आ सकता है, 4 आ सकता है, 5 आ सकता है या 6 आ सकता है. सेकेंड टाइम उछाला तो वही पॉसिबिलिटी है. लेकिन हमें कितने बार हमने डाइस को थ्रो किया? 6 टाइम. सो 6 टाइम में एटमोस्ट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 बार 6 आने की पॉसिबिलिटी निकाली. सो इट इज़ अ वेरी lengthy process to calculate. So again we use the binomial distribution formula to solving this problem. So first we consider here what is your x. So we say here the capital X is equal to number of times of getting 6 in and 6 throw of single die. ओके. सो यहाँ पे मैंने फर्स्ट डिनोट किया है सक्सेस क्या है? नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स गेटिंग 6 इन 6 थ्रो ऑफ अ सिंगल डाई. नाउ वी फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी. मैंने एक बार डाई को थ्रो करने के बाद मुझे 6 मिलने की पॉसिबिलिटी कितनी है? एक ही है, लेकिन पॉसिबिलिटी है. लेकिन हाउ टू फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ दैट? विच 1/6. करेक्ट. So probability of getting 6 in single throw. So P is a probability of getting 6 in single trial is equal to P, which is 1/6. Means एक बार मैंने डाइस को थ्रो किया तो उसमें सैंपल स्पेस में हाउ मेनी आउटकम्स? 6 आउटकम्स. मीन्स 1 2 3 4 5 6. बट उसमें से 6 आने की पॉसिबिलिटी ओनली 1 है. सो 1/6. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग सक्सेस इज 1/6. नाउ व्हाट इज माय फेलियर? माय फेलियर इज डू नॉट गेट द 6. सो माय फेलियर इज डिनोटेड बाय Q, which is 1 - P. So PQ is the probability of getting failure, which is 1 minus 1/6, which is 5/6. So clearly here X is a binomial distribution with n is equal to 6 equal to 1 by 6 and q is equal to 5 by 6. So x follows binomial distribution with n is equal to 6, p is equal to 1 by 6. So therefore p of x is equal to small x, we can write the formula which is ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x, where x goes to 0, 1, 2 up to n times and q is equal to 1 minus p. So we substituting here what is your n, what is your p and what is your q. So x is equal to small x, which is a probability of success, which you find out here. Now n here 6cx p. What is p here? 1 by 6 raised to the power x. Q here 5 by 6 raised to the power 6 minus x. Now what you want here? The probability of throwing at most 2 6. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 मीन्स 2 के ऊपर हमें नहीं चाहिए. सो मे बी 0 हो सकता है, 1 हो सकता है. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ throwing at most 2 6, that is p of x is less than equal to 2. p of x is less than equal to 2. So ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 means maybe 0, maybe 1 or 2. So this we can write p of x is equal to 0 plus p of x is equal to 1 plus p of x is equal to 2. Now we use this formula and simplify this. So check p of x is less than equal to 2. The first, whenever it is small x, substituting 0. So 6c0 1 by 6 raised to the power 0, 1 by 5 by 6 raised to the power 6 minus 0 plus 6c1. Whenever it is small x, substituting here 1. So formula is 6c1 1 by 6 raised to the power 1, 5 by 6 raised to the power 6 minus 1 plus again whenever it is small x, substituting here 2. So we get here 6c2 1 by 6 raised to the power 2, 5 by 6 raised to the power 6 minus 2. Now simplify, we can use here combination formula. So we get here 6 factorial upon 0 factorial multiply 6 factorial multiply 1 upon 6 raised to the power 0. Any raised to the power 0, we get answer is 1. So your answer is 1. Multiply 6 minus 0 is 6. So 5 divided by 6 raised to the power 6 plus again we simplify by using a combination formula. The formula is 6 factorial upon 1 factorial multiply 6 minus 1 factorial, which is 5 factorial multiply 1 by 6 raised to the power 1 multiply 5 by 6 raised to the power 5. So 5 by 6 raised to the power 5 plus again we can use here combination formula. The formula is 6 factorial upon 2 factorial multiply 6 minus 2 factorial, which is 4 factorial multiply 1 by 6 raised to the power 2 multiply 5 by 6 raised to the power 4. Now simplify here and we find the answer. Now is equal to first 6 factorial cancel out. The answer is 1. Multiply 1 multiply 5 upon 6 raised to the power 6 plus this 6 factorial reduce up to 5 factorial. So 6 multiply 5 factorial divided by 1 multiply 5 factorial 1 by 6 raised to the power 1 multiply 5 by 6 raised to the power 5. Now next plus 6 reduce up to the 4 factorial. So 5 multiply 4 factorial upon 2 factorial reduce up to 1. So 2 multiply 1 multiply 4 factorial multiply 1 by 6 raised to the power 2, 5 by 6 raised to the power 4. Again we can simplify. So we get here 5 by 6 raised to the power 6 plus out. 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is cancel out. So 5 by 6 raised to the power 5 plus 4 factorial cancel out. 2 3s are 6. So we get here 50 multiply 5 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 6. Because the here 1 by 6 power is 2, here 1 by 6 power is 4. Base are same, addition of power, so 6 raised to 6. Now here the common term is 5 raised to 4 and 6 raised to 5. So take it outside. So we get the outside 5 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 5 is common term. So here remaining term 5 square divided by 6. 6. Okay. First. Okay. Common term. Sorry. Here common term is 5 raised to 4 and 6 raised to 6. 1, 2, 5 raised to 6 whole square. Okay. 5. Okay. So again here common term is 5 raised to 4 and 6 raised to 5. So we get here 5 raised to 4, 6 raised to 5, take it outside. Inside the bracket 5 raised to square divided by 6 plus here 5 plus 15 divided by 6. Simplify. So 5 raised to 4, 6 raised to 5, 25 divided by 6 plus 5 plus 15 divided by 6. Again simplify. So we get here 5 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 5. Now denominator is not same. So we get here, take denominator is same. So 25 plus 30 plus 15 divided by 6. So again we simplify. We get here 5 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 5 multiply. Addition of this is 70 divided by 6. Again we simplify here 5 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 5 multiply 5 multiply 14 divided by 6. Now here 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6. So we get here 5 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 5 divided by 6 raised to 5 multiply 7 by 3. So we getting at most 2 6. The answer is 7 by 3 multiply 5 upon 6 raised to the power 5. I hope you understand this calculation. So now further one more example we can take. Write down the example. For example, there are 5% defective. 5% defective items in a large bulk of items. What is the probability that a sample of 10 items will include not more than one defective item? Okay, this is my question. Again, question is repeat. There are 5% of defective item in a large bulk of item. What is the probability that sample of 10 item means यहाँ पे जो ट्रायल है वो ट्रायल फाइनाइट है, हमने 10 नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स लिए, then included not more than one defective item means एक से ज़्यादा हमें डिफेक्टिव आइटम निकालने लिए। सो एग्जैक्टली हमें यहाँ पे अगेन यूज द बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फॉर्मूला। सो वी कंसीडर फर्स्ट सक्सेस। सो व्हाट इज माय सक्सेस? x, the number of defective item in a sample of 10 items drawn simultaneously. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमने x डिफाइन किया है, क्या है? डिफेक्टिव आइटम्स है। सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑलरेडी इज गिवन, डिफेक्टिव आइटम की प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 5% है। सो p इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ defective item which is 5%, then is 5 divided by 100 which is 1 by 20. So what is the probability of not defective items, which is q, which is 1 minus p, which is 1 minus 1 by 20, which is 19 by 20. So here clearly x is a binomial distribution of n is equal to how many times here? 10. P is a success, which is the probability is 1 by 20. Q is the probability of the failure, which is 19 by 20. So x is the binomial distribution with n is equal to 10 and p is equal to 1 by 20. Now I want to find probability of included not more than one defective items. Not more than one defective items. So, probability of getting not more than one defective item, that is not more than. So, x is not more than 1. मीन ज्यादा से ज्यादा 1 तक। सो क्या है इसकी पॉसिबिलिटी? p ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 0 प्लस p ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 1. सो व्हाट इज माय फॉर्मूला? आई राइट इट, forget to write the formula. So p of x is equal to small x. The formula is ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. This is my formula. We substituting here n value, p value and which value? Small x value. So substituting, what is the here n is a 10, c 0, p value here 1 by 20 raised to the power 0, q value is 19 by 20 raised to the power 10 plus 10c1 1 by 20 raised to the power 1, 19 by 20 raised to the power 19. Sorry, 9, because 10 minus 1 is 9. Simplify. 10c0, the answer is 1. 10c1, the answer is 10. If you want, so you calculate here by using a combination formula. 10 factorial upon 0 factorial. 10 minus 0 factorial is again 10 factorial. Formula is NCR. The formula is n factorial upon r factorial multiply n minus r factorial. Now n is raised to the 0, answer is 1. Multiply 19 divided by 20 raised to the power 10 plus 10 factorial upon 1 factorial multiply 10 minus 1 which is 9 factorial. Multiply 1 upon 20 multiply 19 upon 20 raised to the power 9. So again simplify. So we get here 10 factorial is cancel out. So we get here x is less than equal to 1. The answer is 19 by 20 raised to the power 10 plus 10 factorial reduce up to the 9 factorial. 9 factorial is cancel out. So here 10 remaining. Multiply 1 by 20 multiply 19 by 20 raised to the power 19. In this term 19 by 20 raised to the power 19 not 9. Yes, 9 is common taken outside. So 19 by 20 raised to the power 9 taken outside inside the bracket. 19 by 20 plus remaining 1 by 2. 10 like that. 1 by 2. So simplify. So we get here 10. So simplify here. Denominator is not same. So cross multiplication. We get multiply here 19 plus 10 divided by 20. LCM is 20. So we get final answer is 29 divided by 20 multiply 19 by 10 raised to the power 9. So we get the not more than one defective item. The answer is 29 upon 20 multiply 19 by 10 raised to the power 9. I hope you understand. Now we stop here.